Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. It's Marco. On today's video we're going to be talking about the Italian indefinite articles. So without further ado, let's get straight to the point. So the Italian indefinite articles change accordingly to the gender of the noun and the letter that the word starts with. Although there's only one definite article in English, which is the, in Italian, the indefinite articles, there are actually four, and they translate into English like a or an. Like, for example, a cat or an astronaut. And this is because, in this case, we're talking about something in general and not something specific. The four different indefinite articles are un, uno, una, and un apostrophe, which is pronounced un. So the first one, un, is used in front of masculine nouns starting either with a vowel or a consonant. The second one, uno, is used in front of masculine nouns starting with S followed by a consonant, Z, PS, PS, PN, PN, Y, or GN, which in Italian is pronounced gne. Then the third one, una, is used in front of feminine words or nouns starting with a consonant. And the fourth one, un apostrophe, pronounced un, is used in front of feminine nouns or words starting with a vowel. So now let's see some examples for each one of them. So for the first one, which is un, that, if you remember, is used in front of masculine words or nouns starting either with a vowel or a consonant, we have a paint, un quadro, a day, un giorno, a building, un edificio, an aeroplane, un aereo, an army, un esercito, an obstacle, un ostacolo, Then uno, used in front of masculine nouns or words starting with S followed by a consonant. A scooter, uno scooter, a squirrel, uno scoiattolo, an exchange, uno scambio, a scandal, uno scandalo, a beetle, uno scarabeo, Then the same article uno is also used in front of masculine nouns or words starting with Z. An uncle, uno zio, a zoo, uno zoo, a sapphire, un zaffiro, Then uno is also used in front of masculine nouns starting with PS, a psychic, uno psichico, a psychologist, uno psicologo, a psychotic, uno psicotico, Then uno is also used in front of masculine nouns starting with PN. A pneumologist. Uno pneumologo. Uno pneumologo. A pneumometer. Uno pneumometro. Uno pneumometro. A pneumatic. Uno pneumatico. Uno pneumatico. Uno is also used in front of masculine nouns starting with Y. Like for example, a yak. Uno yak. Uno yak. A yeti. Uno yeti. Uno yeti. A yacht. Uno yacht. Uno yacht. Then, uno is also used in front of masculine words or nouns starting with gn, pronounced ny. A wildebeest. Uno gnu. Uno gnu. Or a gnome. Uno gnomo. Uno gnomo. Then the third indefinite article una, if you remember, is used in front of feminine nouns or words starting with a consonant, like a race, una corsa, a guitar, una chitarra, a strategy, una strategia, a whale, una balena, a dam, una diga, a fountain, una fontana, an otter, una lontra, a tortoise, una tartaruga. Then the last indefinite article, un apostrophe, is used in front of feminine words or feminine nouns starting with a vowel. So like a bee, un'ape, an emotion, un'emozione, a kelp, un'alga, a duck, un'anatra, a friendship, un'amicizia, or an auction, un'asta. And that's it for this video about the Italian indefinite articles. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and subscribe if you like more content like this. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye now. Ciao ciao.